Well, that was clever.
This is our celebration of learning. This is everybody's opportunity to see what our amazing students can do. We have cooking that's going on, we have theater that's going on, we have dance, we have cheer, we have drones. If you can think it, we have it. We have jewelry making. And also, this is an amazing opportunity for parents to meet their kids' teachers, to spend 9 or 10 minutes with them, learning what it's like to actually receive instruction and grow in the classes that their students are in. It's a great night. I hope everybody has come out and has enjoyed it.